Hello everyone, hey, in this video we'll discuss how to fix Figma not working on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me tell you that Figma is a web-based application, so to use it, you need to have an active internet connection. To check it, you can simply click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon and check whether you are connected to the internet or not. If you're connected to the internet and still it's not working, then you can simply troubleshoot your network. For that, simply click on App Launcher icon. Here open settings. Now click on about Chrome OS. Now here click on diagnostic option. Now click on connectivity and it will run the network troubleshooter. Wait for the process to complete. After that, simply try to use Figma application. If you are still facing the issue, then you can simply clear the cookies and site data. For that, click on this three dot icon, then click on app info. Now click on cookies and site data. Click on manage on-device site data and delete all the on-device site data by clicking on this delete button. After that, click on done. Now click on reload and simply log into your Figma account and it should fix the issue. However, if you are still facing the issue, then you can simply reinstall Figma application. For that, open settings, click on apps option. Now here click on manage your apps settings. Now look for Figma application, then click on it. Now click on install. Select also delete browsing data option, then click on install and wait for the process to complete. After that, simply open Google Chrome browser and visit figma.com/login. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Here on the address bar, you will find download button. Simply click on it, then click on install and it will install the application. Now to use it, simply sign into your Figma account. So that's it. This is how you can fix Figma not working on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.